For over 30 years, Omnitron Systems has been powering U.S. connectivity with extensive experience working alongside government agencies and military departments to deliver reliable, high-performance network solutions. Omnitron's headquarters is in Irvine, California, where we manufacture all of our TAA, BAA, and NDAA compliant products right here in the U.S., ensuring top quality and performance. Omnitron designs and manufactures fiber media converters for Ethernet, Power over Ethernet, serial, and TDM applications, along with Ethernet and PoE switches, PoE injectors, and PoE extenders. From 10 megabit to 10 gigabit and from PoE to PoE++, we have over 30,000 products to accommodate your network needs. Our products are deployed in thousands of networks worldwide, including mission-critical installations for the U.S. government agencies, military, and intelligence departments. Trusted by the U.S. government agencies, Omnitron offers the technology and reliability needed for secure, scalable, and efficient networks. Visit omnitron-systems.com today to learn more.